Ha? Nga, isa na. Binakog ko ana. Dako taas na siya. Okay na na, oy, anak na. Anak ko. Okay naman na. Itom lang. Baba mo ako, anak. Oh. Gimana, oy? Ini, oy, sapaw lang kuruna. Oh, anak, tunga ata. Anak, oh, tungaon. Then, sa kilid-kilid, balon. Oh. Kamu nang ligo, day? Kamu nang ligo? Iya, sirado man. Marcos? Ano? Hello, Miss Moon.
Hi, teacher. Long time no
Good
see.
afternoon. Long time no see. Hold on. You have been so busy, Miss Moon, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I think you
Last
were very.
last time I don't remember. No, we have a class. So in the Tuesday, Monday, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, my staff get married, so I go to her hometown. I don't
Oh,
remember we have a class.
it's
Sorry,
okay,
teacher.
Miss Moon. It's
Yeah.
okay. Actually, I just thought, oh, maybe Miss Moon is busy. Yeah, because it's Christmas season, Christmas week.
in
So
in the
yeah.
morning in the morning on Monday
Mhm.
I thinking about I will talk to with admin said to me today of Monday of Monday didn't study. So when I sit in the car, I feel sleep, so I don't remember anything.
It's okay, Miss Moon. Then, did you celebrate the Christmas, Miss Moon?
Yes, celebrate the wedding, my staff.
Oh, the Christmas day is also the wedding day of your staff.
Yes, wedding of my
Ah, December 25, December
uh
24.
2025. No, she get married. She
Ah,
got
and she
married.
got married.
Yeah,
And then you went there. You went there, Miss
yeah,
Moon. But you didn't celebrate Christmas. You
yeah,
didn't
yeah.
celebrate. You didn't. I see. So every year, so you don't really celebrate Christmas, Miss Moon, ever. You don't really celebrate it.
Little bit,
Never.
a little bit
Ah,
small that the small plastic.
just like a small celebration, just like us, Miss Moon. Us too. Not really like a very, very grand, not a really, really grand, do you call this? Grand celebration, but just, prepared simple foods, yeah, simple drinks with family.
Yeah,
That's just it. Yeah, that's
yeah.
just it. Okay, hold on, Miss Moon. And how about tonight, Miss Moon? Do you have like, are you going to celebrate the New Year's Eve or no?
Ending of year.
Yeah,
Ending of
yeah.
So I and my husband have a dinner as my family because
Mhm.
my children at school my hometown
Ah,
and my city central have a um balloon firework balloon firework.
fireworks. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but it's so far and so crowded. I decided I at home.
Ah, you decided that you're just going to stay at home instead of going there to celebrate. So, but
Yeah,
you prepared. But you're preparing for your dinner. Yeah,
yeah,
today.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well, for me, Miss Moon, tomorrow I will be off from my classes since I will be having a trip with my family to the beach. So yeah, I
Mm.
said to myself, maybe I actually asked my husband. I said, honey, can I? Do you think it's okay if I'm going to be off tomorrow? And he said, I think it's okay. You should rest because it's New Year. I said, well, yeah, that's right.
Oh,
How about tomorrow, Miss Moon? I'm going to ask Miss Moon since okay, here in the Philippines, the most special time of the year is the New Year's, like the end of the year and the New Year, Miss Moon. We
yeah.
celebrate just like us, Miss Moon. My family's right now, even though I'm having classes, my family is actually preparing a lot of food. Yeah, we have
Ah,
fireworks. Yeah.
ah, yeah.
Yeah. How about you, Miss Moon? Which one, like, do you, is December 31 and January 1 also important for like for Vietnamese people, Miss Moon, or the Tet holiday? Which one is the most important one for you?
Yeah. Việt Nam have a long time for Tết holiday lunar.
Mm.
Lunar. We don't have we don't work about 7 or 10 days.
The Tet, for the Tet.
And yes, for
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Tết
yeah.
lunar. But
Ah,
but tomorrow, some company don't work and some company still work. Yeah.
ah,
Example, my spa tomorrow, my staff will still work the
they will
same.
still work.
Oh, yeah. And today I saw some staff don't go to work, and tomorrow they have to work. Yeah,
So you mean to say, Miss Moon, that most of the Vietnamese people prioritize the Tet holiday more. Yeah,
ah,
you prioritize the Tet holiday more, like it's more important. Yeah,
yes, important.
yeah. Here, Miss Moon, there are also like I think 40% of the Filipino people who celebrate Tet, like Lunar New Year, because there are a
Yeah,
lot
yeah,
of Chinese
uh,
people living in the
yeah,
Philippines, Chinese
yeah,
Filipino community. Yeah,
yeah,
so they celebrate. And actually, we have a holiday. Lunar New Year is a holiday also here in the Philippines. Yeah, it's a
yeah,
holiday too, so we don't work. All the Filipinos are just going to stay at home. We don't work, we just stay. Yeah. No, we don't celebrate. Yeah, but
yeah,
we consider it as a holiday.
yeah.
So now I understand this. But right now, you're still going to have like a, how do I say this? A mini celebration with your husband.
Yeah,
I see, Miss
so
New.
many, yeah, so many.
Mini. I see. Okay. Well, me, Miss Moon, this day is very special, actually, Miss Moon. Like December 31 is very special for me. Like it's our tradition, Miss Moon. It has been our tradition. Yeah, so I always make time to, to prepare food. Though my mom is the one who's cooking it. My husband is the one grilling the pork and stuff. My cousin is the one decorating the balloons and stuff. But for me, it
Oh,
is still very special.
yeah,
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 yeah. I think you also do that during the Tet holiday. You also,
yeah,
you also prepare a lot for the Tet holiday. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
I will check the date, Miss Moon. Is it February 14th? February 17th.
17,
Yeah. The Tet holiday is February 17th. Am I right?
17.
Yeah. February of 17.
Ah, ah, I see.
Yeah. February 17, Miss Moon. It's
Mm.
Lunar New Year also here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah,
It's a holiday too here. Anyway,
yeah.
Miss Moon, we are now going to have our material, Miss Moon, which is our new material. We are now going to have unit number 16 since
Mm.
we're done with unit number 14. And
Yeah.
we are supposed to have unit number 15, Miss Moon, but I remember that we had unit number 15 already last time. And do you remember the very first topic we had, Miss Moon? The topic where we talked about we used to have a long hair. She used to have a long
Oh,
hair.
I see,
Remember
I see.
that?
I
Remember
remember.
that?
Yeah,
Yeah. So I
yeah,
skipped to 15. Now we're going to have unit number 16. Okay.
yeah. Oh, so time is so fast.
Yeah, time is so fast, Miss Moon. Wait, I am going to look at here the month that we started having our class. It's June.
Yeah, soon.
June. So June.
Yes, I remember in the first class we study at 9.
Yes, it was at
When
night, very, very late at night.
yes, 10 p.m.
It's 10 p.m. there,
And
11 p.m. here.
do you remember when I see you and you see me? We are with you think my baby study with you.
Yeah, I really thought that I'm going to have like a child as a student, Miss Moon. I really didn't know that it's an adult. So I said to
Mm.
myself, I asked them if where is the student? Because I really thought that you were the admin.
Yeah.
At first, I thought you were the admin. The second time, I thought that I was waiting for your child, Miss Moon. I said, "Where's the child now?" In my mind, where's the child now? Where's the child? I was waiting for it, and I said, "Oh." They said, "No, it's not. It's an adult. Your student is an adult." And it was so funny.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Miss Moon, I am now going to share the screen. Okay. So I think you can see the screen now, Miss Moon. I think it's
Yes,
visible.
I can see. Yeah, I can see.
Now, please read the word or the topic that we're going to have for today, Miss Blue. What
Um,
is it?
yes, topic today is amazing.
Very good. Imagine, or what is imagine, Miss Moon? What is imagination or imagine? What is it?
I think imagine
Mhm.
is thinking about anything, right?
Yes, very good, Miss Moon. Thinking about something or forming a picture or forming an idea to our mind, Miss Moon. You know,
Yeah.
though something is not sometimes it's not real. Yeah,
Mm.
you're just
Yeah.
forming it. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, that will be our topic for today, Miss Moon. So in this lesson, Miss Moon, we are going to plan a dream dinner party. Yeah. Or for the grammar that we're going to have right now, or you're going to learn for today, Miss Moon, is the second conditional. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
let's have the introduction first, Miss Moon.
Uh,
So we're going to work together, Miss Moon. You are going to write the numbers to match the different kinds of gambling with the pictures. Oh, gambling.
yeah.
Do you remember the gambling, Miss Moon? Do you know gambling?
It is a play game.
Yes, yes. Do we use money for gambling, Miss Moon?
Sorry, teacher.
Do we use money when we do gambling?
Money to play gambling?
Yeah. Like I
No.
mean, do we use money when we play gambling? Here. I'm going to translate it, okay?
Yeah.
Chúng ta có dùng tiền khi đánh bạc không?
Ah, yes, of course.
Okay. Do you like gambling, Miss Moon?
I don't like gambling.
Why? Why not?
I don't I, I don't know why, but I really when I so small when
Mm-hmm.
I was child
Mm-hmm.
that holiday I have lucky money
Mm-hmm.
other give
Mm-hmm.
order for me
Uh-huh.
so I and my cousin
Mm-hmm.
play gambling
Yeah.
but it's so crazy
Why?
crazy yeah
Why?
because I
Why?
remember about when I study about
Uh-uh.
our grade 9 or 10. I
Mm-hmm.
and my cousin play gambling. I
Mm-hmm.
so sad when I lost money. And in the when I went to the bed,
Mm-hmm.
I dream about gambling. I
Mm-hmm.
I thinking for them over time.
Yeah. You were thinking about the money that you lost
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah. When I was child.
So did you play again? Did you do the gambling again?
Every day holiday when I was child, I
Uh-huh.
on I often played gambling with my cousin and
Uh-huh.
my sibling. So
Mm.
when I grow up,
Mm.
I don't play. I don't know why.
Actually, Miss Moon, me too. I am not so lucky when it comes to doing gambling, Miss Moon. Like I always lose whenever I play gambling. Like I don't really win. That's why I don't like it. I really don't like it. But my daddy, I mean my father used to love it, Miss Moon. Yeah, and I know it's bad. It's bad. It's not really good to do it all the time. Anyway, Miss
And
Moon.
when I
Mm,
lost money,
mm,
I want earn again money. So I sit play gambling from morning and go to and to afternoon. Sometimes my mother don't for me to play. So I and my
really?
cousin and my sibling, my brother and my
Mm.
younger sister play. Go to the another room and close door and play. play a long time.
They like it. They like it, Miss Moon.
Yeah.
Using the cards. Using the
Yeah.
cards. Yeah. You are really the opposite to your mom and your sibling, Miss Moon, because your mom and your sibling likes it, but you don't like it.
And
Okay.
now I don't like it. Yes, and now I don't like it because it does not spend more time and I think my thinking train many things.
Ah, yeah, that's
Yeah.
why you really can't focus. You really can't
Yeah.
focus when it comes to playing or to
Yeah.
by doing
Yeah.
gambling, Miss Moon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, me, I think I'm just really dumb. Like I am not really a smart person when it comes to playing like to do when I mean by doing gambling, Miss Moon. So I think gambling is not for me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Miss Moon, can I get some water?
Okay,
Anyway,
teacher.
yeah. I will
Uh,
just get.
me too.
Okay, Miss Moon. Thank you so much for waiting, Miss Moon, for about 2 minutes.
Okay,
I really
teacher.
love cold water, Miss Moon.
Me too. And now I have to go to put PP
Mm.
more often.
Really? You always
Yeah,
pee?
go to pee.
Oh,
Yes, more
yeah.
often. Because my
Yeah.
baby go.
Yeah, it's bigger now. How many weeks are you, Miss Moon?
How
How many weeks pregnant are you?
25.
25 weeks. How many months is that? 25.
25 about 6 months.
Ah, do you have
Yes,
like a big tummy now, Miss Moon? Or a small
yeah,
tummy?
yes. My belly be more big and bigger. Is a bigger.
Really?
Yeah.
But your face didn't really change. Your face
Uh,
didn't change at all.
I think my bigger belly, only my belly.
Yeah, I think so. You didn't really change. Your face is still really the same. Some of the
Yeah,
pregnant women, like everything really
yeah.
changed like me.
Really.
Like
Oh,
yeah, when I was pregnant, Miss Noon, my
yeah.
nose got bigger, my face really got bigger.
I gain weight about 6 kilograms.
6 kilogram, 6 kilogram only. 6 kilogram?
Yeah.
But it doesn't really look that you change at all. Wow. Okay, anyway, Miss Mill, thank you so much for sharing that to me. I appreciate that. Now, let's continue here, Miss Moon. You're going to put the numbers here. Okay, just tell me the numbers, Miss Moon, and I'm going to put it here in the box. So for number one, Miss Moon, it says for
Number
the
one.
football pools, it's here. Yeah.
Yeah.
How about this one, Miss Moon? Okay, let's have this one. What do you think is this?
Difficult with me.
It's difficult. Me too, since I don't also know. Me too, since I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know the gambling. It's all difficult for me too, Miss Moon. But for the lottery, Miss Moon, this is the lottery. I think this is the lottery. This is
Lottery.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is 3, and then Scratch cards. This one is here. Scratch cards. So we're done with this and this. I don't know this one. Slot machines. Here. I think this one is the slot machine roulette. This one is the roulette here. One is the roulette. And we're done with the roulette. We also have the slot machine. No. For roulette. Slot machine. Here. No. Slot machine. Roulette. This one is the roulette here. This one is the roulette. And this one is the slot machine. 6.
Thế á? Chị ra đầu Ngọc Trai mua đi. Cổng Ngọc Trai rẽ trái. Nó có bán đấy.
Cổng Ngọc Trai không rẽ này.
Ngay cổng bảo vệ.
Đúng rồi, quán nào?
Quán mới, ngay cổng bảo vệ. Quán thú cưng ấy mới khai trương. Cổng Ngọc Trai này, rẽ trái. Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Miss Moon, are your children there or they're still in
Nào
your...
thơm ấy chị ạ.
Are they still in the hometown?
Melanie asked me something.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, are your children all still in the hometown?
Không, mang nhiều. Thiếu thì nhắn số tài khoản cho em. Okay, teacher.
Are your children still in the hometown, Miss Moon, or they're already there?
Yeah. My children stay at hometown, and I take them about Saturday this week.
Okay, Miss Moon.
Yes, next week where they start to study at school.
Okay. They will start studying already. Okay.
Yes.
So anyway, Miss Moon, yeah, for this one, Miss Moon, this will be roulette. This one is slot machines. This one is the horses. I don't know if you know that gambling, Miss Moon. When it's like a horse racing. Yeah. So horses. Yeah, horse racing. Yeah. When we go to the horse racing event, Miss Moon, we need a ticket. We need to buy a ticket. Yeah. And then we need to choose a number. Which one are you going to choose? So for me, I'm going to choose number 23. Yeah. We also have the scratch cards. And then we also have here number 3, the lottery. Lottery. Yeah, lotto.
Lotto.
Yeah. Can you hear any other background noises? Can you hear sounds and music in my background?
No,
You can?
I don't hear.
Okay. Since my neighbors, Miss Moon, are celebrating too, all of my neighbors are playing, having their speakers in the highest volume. They're playing music. So I am really afraid that you might hear something really, really loud. So I'm really thankful that you cannot hear anything.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Miss Moon, thank you so much for that. Now, you are going to cross out the words on the left that do not go with the types of gambling on the right, Miss Moon.
Yeah.
I'm going to translate it, Miss Moon, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to just translate it.
Number 1,
Okay.
cross.
Yeah. Cross out the words that do not go with the types of gambling on the right. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I will translate.
Yeah. Okay, you can translate it.
Best.
Okay, Miss Moon, I am going to end this and we're going to be back. Okay?
Yeah.
Because it's all 4. Okay.